Welcome to Canada International Student Magazine. Today we have Ritik Sharma with us. He's studying in Seneca College, and let us understand his experience and how's Canada treating him so far. Hi Ritik, how are you doing?
Hi, good evening to all the audience who's watching this video. My name is Ritik Sharma. I'm the coordinator at Newnham campus. So this year I've been elected as a coordinator for Seneca Student Federation. And so far it's been a good journey to be with Seneca and to be an international student at Seneca. And it's an amazing journey so far.
Ritik, so you are living in Toronto, right? How's life in Toronto? Can you tell us a bit about Toronto?
So to be very honest, life is so fast. Life is so complicated in Toronto, but you have to set your goals as soon as you enter Toronto. You know, each and every person here has some goals and they're all goal oriented. So you have to be coping with them as well. So you have to set your goals from the very first day, and you have to stick to them, and you have to follow the guidelines and go through that goal only. And to be very honest, people, they are really doing a lot on their parts, and you have to be yourself, as like here Toronto, the party life is also good. The students who are coming here, they also have fun. So you have to stick to the path and always lead from the front.
Okay, so what are you studying?
So my course is international business. That is completely related to all the business, trade, and what import and export from Canada to all the other countries. And they basically teach us about this course from to have a trade from Canada only.
So what are the major differences before COVID-19 and after COVID-19? One thing we understand that the virtual classrooms, but you definitely must be missing the direct interactive communications with the students.
Yeah.
Now everything is virtual, and so what kind of experience is this compared to the previous one?
A lot. There are a lot of changes. You know, being virtual.
Is it difficult right now, or so? What is the feeling?
So to be very honest, firstly, I was heartbroken when I got to know that everything is gonna be virtual. Because I'm the person who loves to be social, who loves to interact with students, who loves to know more about the students. So I was very heartbroken by that time. But you know, life goes on, and you get to know yourself that what you can do in other scenarios. You know yourself by some time, but after that, you have to go up with the surroundings, and you have to evolve, and you have to adapt this changes. So yeah, there were a lot of changes because everything is going virtual now. Even I'm the coordinator at Seneca Federation. We organize some events. We have to give student advocacy. We have to go on students about their problems. Now the problems that were on campus, now they are going virtual because they are not getting some emails from college on time, and they have to get their timetables, they have to get their schedules, and they have to give the tuition fees. And sometimes there's a problem in getting those right. So we have to go up with them. Like now we have
volume of emails are so high because of everything.
Yeah, exactly. Everything is going online. So even if a student advisor has to get 10 emails per day, now they are getting at least 100. The changes that I have faced is like we can't interact with students anymore, like a lot, like we used to do, and like we used to go to the college. Yeah, and even for the events now, the events can't happen anymore. We can do the events, like, but still we are trying our level best. Like we're having our DJ nights virtually. We are having our family food, like just name the tune events, those kind of events virtually. The buzzer events, we are having them online. But like we used to take off-campus trips, that is not going to happen anymore. And we used to have some paintings and all the stuff, that's not going to happen anymore. But still we are trying our level best, so that like we have alternates, that is like cooking competitions, like drawing competitions from their home only, and they can send us the picture. And that's what I have faced the change. The journey for being virtual, it's going good so far, and hoping for the best. Let's get the vaccine and getting back to the college.
That happens soon. Yeah, everybody's waiting for the vaccine to be released. So
exactly.
In Seneca College, how's the international student life there? So every class must be very diversified, and especially coming to your class, is it diversified? Exactly. And how many Indian students that you find? What is the experience?
Okay, so let me tell you, the Seneca is exactly like Toronto. We all know that Toronto and New York, they are most diverse cities of all time, right? So even Seneca is very diverse. We have a lot of students from Iran, Iraq, India, uh, Bangladesh, then from Russia, Ukraine, Kiev. They're from like a lot of countries. So the class is very diverse. The facilities they provide to the international students, the cooperation they provide to the international students is beyond amazing. They provide a lot of services. They have a special department for international students only, international student services, where they can easily guide you. Like, what are they know exactly what the problems international students face, so they provide the exact information to them so that they don't have to start from like zero. So, and even in the classes, there's a lot of diversification. You would see like less Canadian students, and you would see more international students in the classes.
Awesome. There is a lot of information. This ends the part 1 of the video. Ritik, student from Seneca College, has shared his student life in the college and how students are coping up with the new virtual classroom style of learning. Stay tuned to the official CISM channel on YouTube for more international student voices. See you soon in part 2 of this video, and listen to what Ritik has to say everything about his student journey at Seneca College. Stay safe. Thank you.